Hello, hello. Alrighty, the dollar index is always good. Take it easy today. I definitely took too many trades yesterday. Alrighty. Little under 20 minutes. All right, so the question is now, the dollar keep going up? The dollar keep going up? Trades and very unlike trade over. I have to close it out. Finally gonna come down. Probably. Yeah. Say this is probably gonna their top down. All right. Got 15 minutes. Once again, not supposed to take trades before open, but pretty juicy. I might get in. Yep, just depending on what happens. There's still 13 minutes before the open. As we all know by now, the open causes all types of chaos. Market already in a trade. very likely you'll get swung out of that trade and or lose trade. That's why I don't like to take trades before the open. There are some times where the right way to go, and this is sometimes you get a big giant move like this, lots of momentum. Okay. Here, I would like for it to go a bit more. Dollar pairs, I'm definitely gonna wait. Definitely gonna have to wait on the hourly chart. Shows that they should come down. And again, the dollar might come down. So yet really all depends on what the dollar. I think this trade will finally go. Same trade I've been in yesterday. Yens might possibly coming down. Maybe not. I don't think I'll be trading the yen. All right, we got 10 minutes before the open. Hopping in here. Trade I might get. Definitely looking to go short here. I think this is the best move so far. It might go up a little bit more, but almost guarantee that it's going to come down sometime at some point session coming down. Be on the lookout for that. Should be easy 3 reward. So far, that's looking like the only solid trade. Today. Nope. Got some news at the New York session. For the London session, we should be fine. All right. Overall, it's been a really good week. Where big giant red That is what I would like to see. I am really ready for the warm weather. Very ready. Tired of being cold. Right up here. Should cause a huge sell off if it does make it up that far. So far, this is looking like a 3 reward, maybe 4 reward type of day. Not gonna go too crazy today, I don't think. I don't really see a whole lot to trade today so far. Dollar. I doubt this is just gonna keep going up. It definitely clear direction. Up 5 minutes before the open. I hope this microphone. Start my computer. Hopefully, it didn't reset settings I put on this microphone because that took me forever. Okay. Yeah, hopefully. Let's see. Hopefully, you guys can hear me. I have to redo that and be set. Armad, how's it going? Oh, you can hear me? Okay. Yeah, that was the main that was one of the hardest things setting up these videos, and I got this new fancy microphone. It was really hard to set the audio settings. Actually, yeah, the whole thing of video production is actually really difficult. So, I kind of underestimated how hard it would be to do this whole YouTube thing. But I'm learning as I go. Like anything else, you just gotta jump in there and just start doing it. All right, 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Okay. Yeah, I want a big red bar on this one. Hop in there. Yeah, like I said, I'd be happy making 3R today. I don't think it's gonna be a big knockout doozy today. I'd be cool with just taking this one Euro GBP short whenever that happens. Yeah, you could probably short the dollar pairs right now, but it's a little too risky for my taste. Righty. Lone Toro, how's it going? I'm glad you can hear me. Something's definitely not right with the microphone, but I'll have to figure that out later. I'm already on the stream now, so a little too late for that. Yeah, okay. Here's the open in about a minute. I'm thinking this is gonna just come crashing down within the next 40 seconds. That is my guess. And I might take like a little trade, a low risk trade, just to possibly capitalize on that. I'm gonna have to time this perfectly. So yeah, about 20 seconds. I'm guessing big crash down. So we're gonna do. Okay. All right. I'm gonna try it out. Low risk. And wait for it. Wait for it. Alrighty. For it. Wait for it. Wait for it. For it. And not yet. Ah, not yet. Nope, not yet. The dollar pair is sold off though. Okay. Nope. Didn't happen yet, so it might have to wait a little longer. Just waiting for the sell on this. All right. Still waiting. Okay. Well, did not get the open flippy reversal. Like, yep. Oh, okay. I have a sell opportunity here too on the yen. That might come into play later. Okay. Okay, here we go. Uh, yep, I'm gonna take it right here. I take this sell here. Low risk. Okay. Went ahead and went for it. Good thing here is if it does go through, I can go for more than 3 reward. So I could go for like probably 6 reward. And I used a low risk. All right. So I went for 0.1 risk on that one. Yeah, it's a decent setup here. If you look at the daily chart, this is like way further up than it should be. So it should definitely come down. Worst case, it'll put in another top and then like another red bar. I would just get back in. But usually this works. Yeah, it's just a super early entry. So if you want to enter early into moves, just use less risk than you normally would. And once you get the good moves with like the double confirmation, big giant bars, then you can use full risk. Be right back. 1 second. Right. I caught up. Um, I'll show it for a second. I'm not gonna have it on here all the time, but yeah, that's my 25K FTMO there. I had to switch to the web trader version of uh MT4. Something went wrong with my Mac version, and I have not been able to fix it. So, yeah. Here's that story. Hopefully I can fix it sometime soon. I deleted some file and I have not been able to get it back working ever since. Yeah, Forex trading is really for like Windows computers. It's really difficult to do certain things on Mac, especially with MT4. It's just way more difficult than it needs to be. These are my CBD gummies after take to go to sleep. And 2 Benadryls. Okay. All right, lost that first one. So since it's actually going up with some power, I wait for like a big red bar in the other direction or a double top. more substantial pattern. Yeah, it was worth a try. Only lost 0.1% there. What's ICT? Yeah, I tried downloading MT5 and it uses the same DLL files or whatever, whichever file I deleted from MT4, so MT5 doesn't work either. No. No, I came up with my own style. Yeah, I don't use anyone else's stuff. There's like 1,000 different ways you can trade Forex. Everyone, yeah, yeah, I've heard of him. You know, good for him. He's doing his thing. I'm doing my thing. Some people trade off the 1 minute chart. Some people trade off the hourly chart. Some people only trade off the daily chart. Some people only trade gold. Yeah, there's a bunch of different ways you can do it. Man, you guys are something else. The 1 minute chart traders. It's like the super fast. Yeah, the lowest I look at is a 3 minute. Yeah, yeah, I've seen a lot of people. They trade those super fast charts. Yeah, whichever chart you're used to the most is what you'll end up trading off of. My favorite is the 5 minute and the 1 hour. But yeah, you can use whichever one you want. Yeah, that's the best way to do it. I say you have to look at all the charts, but you'll have your favorite chart you actually want to take the trades on. Yeah, forex trading is fun, man. This is like the highlight of my day. The gym and coming here to do this. The two fun parts of my day. It's like a big puzzle. I was one of those weird kids that would do like 3D puzzles. I was like 6 and 7 years old. I should buy another one actually. I should get one of those 3D puzzles. Oh, that's cool, man. What do you are you in college for finance? The dollar has a pretty powerful uptrend. I don't know if I want to go against it. IT. Oh, that's good, man. Yeah, that's where the money's at for sure. Not really my cup of tea, but yeah, if you're good with that kind of stuff, especially like software development, yeah, you'll be good. You'll never have an issue finding a job, and they'll pay you really well too. Yeah, full-time trading is the goal. Um, well, once you have your degree, I would get a job in the IT field and work until you actually have like a lot of money saved up from trading or from whatever to where you don't have to worry about money. Yeah, Forex is very like fragile and delicate. It's very easy to like fall into bad habits and lose money and things like that. But once you're in control of your emotions, it's like a really easy, decent income, but it takes a while to get there. No, no. Yeah, I'll be telling the story of everything soon. Let you guys know about my FTMO journey. Yeah. Yeah, I would say I had my timeline wrong. I'd say like 2 to 4 years of trading before you actually like fully understand it and you have the discipline necessary to do it full time. It really does take a while. But then again, I'm like a high strung, impulsive type of person, so the discipline part took me a little bit longer. If you're more like calm, relaxed type of person, type of personality, then you'll probably get the discipline part down faster. The technical skills are not that hard, really. That only takes maybe like a year to get down. But yeah, the discipline part and the risk management and things like that, that takes a lot longer. And that's really the part that matters. Ooh, I didn't know. Cool. Hey, learn a new feature today. Oh, you've been trading for 4 years? Yeah, yeah, you definitely have to relax, be relaxed while trading. Take it slow. Again, I say under 6 trades per day. Some days, I mean, like today, you can look at today, for example. It's not much going on today. It was too risky to go long here. So really, I'm just waiting on the short. All the dollar pairs are kind of could have went short there, but that wasn't really all that great either. Some days there's just not that many good moves, and then days like Wednesday, there was like 8,000 moves. So on days like that, you want to just like capitalize, get as much as you can. If you get up to like 9 reward and you're not compounding, then you should probably just go ahead and take your profits for that day. Yeah, yesterday was pretty decent, but it wasn't as much. Wednesday was the best day this week by far. And then today is looking kind of like, I'd be happy to get 3 reward today. All right, since it didn't reverse on that first red bar, I'm going to wait for either a giant bar or a double top or an engulfing top. I'm going to wait for a proper pattern this time. It's not doing the quick reverse like I thought it would, so I got to wait for like a real pattern this time. And I'll use full risk on this one. Yeah, see the dollar pairs are now looking not as stable. Yeah, I wouldn't trade these right now. If anything, I would say go short on these, but I wouldn't. Nah. For these FTMO accounts, I use 0.4, 0.4%. So for like the 25K challenge, that's $100 risk. Okay, here we go. All right. Yeah, I'm a little hesitant to get in right now, although it'll probably work. I'm gonna wait a little bit. I want to see at least a double top or like a couple consolidation bars here, or just a big giant bar. Either of those three, and I'll get into it. And that might be the only trade I take today. I'll probably stay on here until like 1:30, and if I don't see anything else by then I'll just be okay with that one trade. Yeah, I need to get a new computer too. I'm using this like custom Mac Pro tower, and I can't put the new Mac OS updates on it because it's like a custom setup. So I'm missing all the new features of the new Mac OSs. I'm on like I don't know which. Let's see. Yeah, I'm on Mojave. I think they're on like I don't know. I'm like 6 Mac versions behind on this computer. Oh, I'm going to. I'm trying to figure out which one I want to get. Cause yeah, the new Mac Pros are like super expensive, like all Mac products, but it's like egregiously expensive. I think I configured it. It was like $9,000 or something. I was like, all right, I'm not paying that much. It looks nice and it's powerful and everything, but I'm not paying that much for a computer. So yeah, I gotta do more research on it. I think they have one called like the Mac Studio or something, which is like 2,000. And I think that's what I paid for this one, or maybe I paid like 1,500 for this one. So I'm okay with 2,000 if it's like a good setup. I gotta be able to do my YouTube video, edit my YouTube videos and stuff. So it has to be good specs. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. I still don't want to enter yet. Nah, not yet. What's going on here? Okay. Mac Mini, is that what it's called? Mac Studio or Mac Mini, one of those two. And they have like the new processor. It's like this big. Yeah, yeah. Marcus Marquez, however you say his name. I think that dude just had his YouTube channel for like 10 years. 10 plus years. Yeah, this is looking better. Like I said, I still want to see a double, a little bit more of a confirmation. Oh, damn, he started in 2006. Man, he's been around for almost 20 years then, huh? 15 years, something like that. I know he's been around for a while. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, that's what it takes. I mean, I think I started, I think I've been doing YouTube for like a year and a half, maybe. I think it'll be 2 years in July. I believe so. So I wasn't putting out consistent content though. I was putting out like 3 videos a month. So I wasn't taking it. Uh, well, no, I was taking it seriously. I just wasn't putting out content as regularly as they want you to. They really want you to put out a video every day if you want to like build super fast. I didn't buy any followers or buy any views or anything like that. So everything I have is just organic growth. But yeah, you get there a lot faster if you buy your if you buy your follows and stuff. You know, you want to play the game that hard. It's not that serious to me. Oh yeah, What's the secret? I work in the fitness industry. Okay. EGBP, um, almost ready to sell. You say give them an adrenaline rush. Good morning, Buccaneer. Okay. Yeah, I'm still not ready to enter in here yet, but it's looking a lot better. Yeah. Yeah, no, my best performing videos have always included some type of money value in the title. Yeah, listen, I'm still not used to being this like public with myself. I'm not like a shy person or anything, but it's kind of it's not weird, but it's like it's different to be just broadcasting to like the entire world. It's just not. It's something I had to get used to. So I'm slowly, bringing things in, but it's a little weird to be like, oh, here's how much money I made today. Here's how much money I made this week. But that's what people are doing now. So all right, is this gonna put in a double top, or is it just gonna keep going down? Yeah, yeah, I can see both sides of it, but yeah, if you as long as you're showing a good strategy, showing good trades, things like that. Yeah, those were the videos I was interested in when I first discovered Forex. I wanted to see like the patterns and successful strategies. That's what more I was looking into. Yeah, this is looking like it's gonna come down now. Okay, I'll take one more low risk trade here. Once I get a better. Okay. All right, so I took another low risk trade here. So a little bit over to reward on that one. Yeah. Yeah, I just started these live streams this week, so it's still very like bare bones right now. But later on I'll learn how to have graphics and sounds and all that kind of stuff. Right now I'm just still learning how to live stream in the first place. Yeah, cryptos are definitely hard to day trade. They have big spreads too, which doesn't help at all. Yeah, I'm not a fan of day trading cryptos, either stocks or currencies or the precious metals. S&P 500 is cool. Indexes are cool. Yeah, no, I don't recommend. Yeah, you could trade like off the daily chart with cryptos. It's still kind of like I think currencies are just the fiat currencies are just better, but yeah. Yeah, stocks are cool. The only problem with stocks is you have to actually buy and sell the shares. I think that's the only issue I have with the stock trading. I don't know what FVG means. Hmm. All right. Some new terms here. Yeah, I'm hoping there's more than just this one trade. But yeah, I mean, it's okay to just have one trade, I guess. This is like 2.3 reward. That little loss that I had earlier. And yeah, the dollar pairs did continue down. So no surprises there. Bitcoin looks like it's going to come down too. Am I passive? This is the reformed version of me. I used to trade like crazy. I used to take like 15, 20 trades a day. Yeah, I've done a lot better since I lowered that down to 6 maximum. Hey, if it works for you, man, keep doing it. Like I said, there's like 8,000 different ways you can do this. Whichever way you discover that works, you should just stick with that. But yeah, I would definitely say higher reward is the way to go. Three reward is usually the best option. You'll still keep a really high win rate, and you get a bunch of opportunities. Yeah, this one's looking pretty good. There is a chance it'll reverse once it gets to the 21 EMA. But hopefully it'll go back. If it does go back up, it'll go back up to like here and then continue down. That's what I'm hoping for. But yeah, the whole goal of doing these live streams was to have some type of accountability for myself. And it definitely worked. I've done a lot better this week than usual. Yeah, I'm a fan of the small stop losses too. Yeah. Yeah, I'm banking on it going at least here. I don't think it's ready to break through all the way down here yet. Might get like one more top. And Euro GBP likes to put in these big giant bars. So yeah, this is one of my favorite pairs. Very predictable and easy to trade. It seems like there's almost always a trade pretty much every session. Okay. Now see the dollar pairs are starting to do some flippy floppy. The downtrend is still really heavy. So yeah, I definitely wouldn't buy here. How's it going, Hussein? I'm thinking that this is going to reverse actually. Yeah. You see all the other yen pairs are coming down pretty hard. I think the USD yen was only going up because the dollar was going up. But now that that's not happening anymore, I think it'll actually come down. But it's still got a pretty heavy trend on the hourly chart. But yeah, the yens typically move together. So if all the other ones are coming down, then this should eventually come down too. Yeah, it's Friday too. I don't know if it's just me, but by Friday's trading session, I'm pretty like mentally exhausted. Maybe it's just me. I don't know. But yeah, trading this many sessions and you know all the other stuff I do, I'm pretty like wiped out. So that's probably why I'm like not taking as many trades today. Plus, I don't really see anything good anyway. $89.00. Also, right here. Yeah, it might go that far. Yeah, I put it up here just because the spread, and it usually will hesitate at these levels. Yeah, it hasn't gone back up any yet, but it is at the 21 EMA. So this is where if it's going to reverse back up and put in like a double top, this is where it would happen. But yeah, the Euro GBP in particular does this a lot. It'll come right to the 21. It'll put in a couple small consolidation bars and then it'll just continue down. But yeah, like I said, I don't think it'll go like too much further down into here. It'll probably go up a little bit. It's still like a pretty heavy trend on the higher charts. But yeah, I've got faith in this move. Seems decent. Hmm. CBD gummies are kicking in. Dot dot dot. Okay. All right, went up a little bit. Hopefully, I don't end up getting stopped out and have to enter again. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I've been trading this setup of pairs at least for at least like a probably the last 2 years maybe. Only new pairs that I added are these two, the Odd CAD and NZD CAD. And I don't even like those pairs. They're probably like my least favorite out of all of them. They're not very reliable. Um, the pairs I know the most are all of the majors and the Euro GBP. Those are the ones I take most of my trades on. Occasionally, I'll take a AUD NZD. I don't really trade the GBP and Euro cross pairs anymore because they've just been really inconsistent lately. And by lately, I mean like the last entire year. Actually, longer than that. Ever since the C19, the cross pairs have been unreliable, but they used to be really good. Yeah, I like the majors. Low spread, pretty predictable. It just It's just based off the dollar. So they're pretty easy to trade. They don't go super far usually, but they're very predictable with their movements. And of course, the Euro GBP, the MVP. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. But yeah, again, this is just my setup and how I do it. Some people trade the exotic pairs. Some people want to trade gold only. People trade the S&P only. People trade the GBP USD only. There's pros and cons to each way. Yeah, if you only trade like one or two pairs, there's gonna be days where you just won't have any trades because you don't have any other pairs to, say you only want to trade the GBP USD and the Euro USD. If the dollar index is not moving on a day like yesterday, well, you just won't have any trades. So I would at least add in like the Euro GBP. You have something else to do on days where those ones aren't moving. Yeah. Yeah, that's a good strategy. Just pick a couple pairs to focus on. Yeah. Like I keep saying though, a lot of these pairs are the same pair. It's really not even that many pairs. They're all doing like the same thing. Oh, by the way, what's going on over here? Yeah. Okay. I definitely wouldn't sell here, even though you probably could get away with it. But yeah, the hourly trend is a little bit too heavy to be selling. But I think this will eventually come down sometime today. Probably not for the London session. Maybe for the New York session. And yeah, let's see. These are probably still. Uh, huh. Well, the franc yen is coming down for sure. Kind of scared of that pair. Yeah, the franc pairs are kind of bouncy. Okay. Like the dollar is at least starting to come down. There's news today? I didn't see any. Oh, uh, it's a single yellow. I wouldn't be too worried about that. 530, I would be, yeah, three yellows is a little more substantial than that, but yeah, one yellow probably won't do much of anything really. Well, here it is. Let's see. Yeah, usually a single yellow is not going to do much. Three yellows, yes. Two oranges, yes. One red, depending on what it is. Yeah, good talking to you, Parmod. Yeah, man, you get that IT degree, you'll be just fine. Trust me on that one. Yep, yep. You got some nice cushy jobs too. You can work remote. If you get like a good Google type of job, they're like feeding you every day, man. They treat those employees like royalty. You're gonna have to work a lot, but I mean, they give you all types of perks and benefits. Okay, trade's still looking pretty good. Oh yeah, exactly. You definitely want to love what you do. Yeah, that's why my day job is in the fitness industry. I really my day kind of revolves around fitness and making money. Those are the two things I'm interested in doing. That's it. Yeah, I've done all types of call it training for like software development stuff. I would hate if I got into that to do it every day. There's just no way. It's not my cup of tea at all. I wouldn't care if they were paying me 150K a year. I would just be miserable the whole time. And it's like, well, what's this kind of life is that? But for the people that like that, coding and JavaScript and all this stuff, great. That's great. Great living. It'll be fantastic. I have a friend that does cybersecurity. Actually, I got a couple friends that do cybersecurity. They're doing really well for themselves. Yeah, man. Yes, hate. I could use that word hate for coding. I definitely hate coding too. Not into it at all. Oh, you're a mobile app developer? Yeah, that's where the money's at for sure. That whole world is where the money is going. Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay. You see down here on the 15-minute, this could just be a bounce back upwards off of the 8 EMA. So we'll see. I still think it's pretty decent trade. My name is NJ. Yep. I am ready. I am ready for the beamer. Yeah, one thing I'll say in this whole entire 3+ years I've been trading, I don't think I've ever had a day where I didn't take a trade. So that might need to be something I consider future. Honestly, I haven't seen any good trades today. This was like half decent here. But I mean, it's not great. All right. Limit orders. It's another thing I don't do very much is limit orders. I'll use a stop order every now and then, but yeah, limit orders, a different style. Looks like you might have been right though. Yep, that's right at that 50% retrace of the move down. Let's go. Try to get this beamer. Yeah, I'm glad I stuck with Forex. There was a couple times where I almost quit a couple times. Back when I was like blowing up accounts and stuff like that. Way back when. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it's all a psychological game really. It takes a while. I had nothing to do with the finance world at all when I got into this stuff. So this whole entire thing was new to me. So it just was like an adjustment period where now I'm like used to it. But yeah, at first you're not used to seeing these big giants amounts of money. Yeah, that's why I always recommend start small. Get like a small account. If you have your own money, I would do that. But if you got to get prop firm money, get like a small prop firm account and start from there and get used to it first. Don't try to go like straight for the $200,000, $400,000 accounts. It's too much, and if you're not used to it, you're probably just gonna end up losing the account anyway, wasting a bunch of money for no reason. Yeah, if it's gonna go up here, it'll probably go way past this area here. It'll just keep going up for a little bit. I thought it was ready to come down, but oh, my Forex funds. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know much about that one. Let's see. Hmm. Yeah, my Forex funds is cheaper than FTMO to get started. Okay, yeah, probably gonna lose this trade here. Yeah, I'm kind of amazed at the amount of prop firms there are. Yeah. Uh, yeah, probably lose this trade here, and that's fine. But yeah, if you, man, it's definitely huge progress. If this was me 2 years ago, I probably would have taken like 7 trades already. So I'm definitely better with like my patience and looking for more solid moves. Which again, this was not all that solid of a move anyway, but it was worth a try. I didn't risk that much either. I only risked 0.1% on it. So that is my second attempt on this pair today. I probably won't trade this pair anymore today. Yeah, it's most likely gonna fail here. Yep. Okay. All right. It was worth a try. Like I said, I'll stay on until 1:30. If I see another good opportunity, I'll get in. I would like to at least break even for the day. But yeah, as of now, don't see much. Yeah. Yeah, this trend was just a little bit too heavy. It might even go all the way up here on the daily. Might take a minute, but yeah. But I wouldn't go long on it either. That's not a good trade either. Yeah, that time difference is crazy, huh? That's what I was saying. I need to just move to London. I could just trade, or I could just work like a regular, 9 to 5 schedule, pretty much. I already speak English. I wouldn't have to like learn another language or anything. I'd have to change my accent. What's up, everybody? So today I will be trading the Euro GBP. Terribly, terribly. Wow, 2:45 p.m. Yeah, I've met a lot of British people, or however you say that, UK people. Yeah, I had my stop loss lower. I had like here, and the spread took me out. Yeah. So I got taken out of my trade, but if you put it like a little bit further, and you're still in there. Yeah, I'm not probably not gonna take any more on this one. So yeah, I don't know. See anything really. Yeah, that's the next thing I have to practice. Not taking trades when there's not any like good. That's what I've noticed. There's always like a good perfect trade sometime between midnight and 2 a.m. At least one. So if I don't see any like perfect good trades, then I need to just not take trades rather than like going for these not so great trades like this one, which will honestly probably keep going up really. Do I trade gold? I have. I haven't recently. Yeah, I haven't traded gold recently. The spread is kind of high. Let me see. Up here. Yeah, gold. It's usually pretty predictable, but the spread is kind of high compared to like the major pairs. But yeah, it moves like really far in one direction, which is good. Yeah, it doesn't seem to work very well on the 5 minute chart either. And that's the chart I typically trade off of. So yeah, yeah, not really. Do I trade gold? Not really, but I'd look at it and stuff. I'll check it out every now and then. Every once in a while, I'll take a trade on there. What about that? That's your go-to pair? That's a lot of people's go-to pair. Yeah, I notice the people that trade gold like only trade gold. It's just like their thing. Yeah, yeah, the AU and the NZDU, definitely two of my favorites. And they're like the same thing, so yeah. AU, NZDU, GU, and EU, and the Euro GBP. That's like my go-tos. I'm gonna be pissed off if I lost this trade just because I had to stop too low. That would be something right there. Yeah, those four pairs, and then the UCAD and the dollar index, plus the Euro GBP. You'll almost always have a trade every day. Days like today, it might take until like 2 a.m. or 2 hours into the session, I should say. Yeah. Yeah, Euro's definitely strong right now. It's still got a nice trend going. But yeah, this pair especially is known to like reverse on a dime. I've seen that so many times with the Euro GBP. And the odd NZD. You get a lot of like super fast reversals. Oh, do I gotta enter this damn thing again? Is that the only trade that's gonna happen today? Let's see. Oh, okay. Yeah, these dollar pairs have such a heavy downtrend right now. I don't want to buy into that. That's kind of reckless. Yeah, GU, since the Euro GBP trend is still so heavy upwards, yeah, you probably could get away with a short here. Probably now, actually. I'm not gonna do that, but it'll probably work. You can probably short it right here and then go down to like here. I'm not touching this one anymore today. Yeah. Yeah, it's really not a good trade either way. I wouldn't sell or buy here. The sell would be the smarter option, but it's probably not going to go very far. It's already super far on the hourly chart. That's a sign that it's, yeah, probably consolidate. And then probably, well, Monday is, I think, President's Day. So I'm not going to trade on Monday. But like Tuesday, these will probably start going back up. And the dollar will be on its way down. That's my guess. I'm kind of happy there's a holiday on Monday. I could use a day off. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Nah, I'm not gonna get back into this one. As tempted as I am to sell again. Nah. Yeah, just one of those rare days where there's just not really much to do. Nothing really solid that I can see at least. This will probably go back up. Uh, I gotta bust out that calculator thing for these. Where is that? Oh, lot size calculator. That's why I don't like trading the S&P. They don't have to do all this extra stuff. Same with gold. I gotta bust out the lot size calculator, and the spread's all heavy, and you're buying on. Oh, let's see. Hold on. Oof, it's risky. Yeah, it's a pretty heavy downtrend to be buying into. No like clear reversal. It could work though. I wouldn't say it's a great move. I think it would come down first. Yeah, I think this would come down a little bit more before going back up. Oh, you didn't take the trade? Yeah, I wouldn't. I wouldn't buy that personally. I wouldn't buy it or sell it. If I was gonna do anything, I would sell, but I'm not gonna do either. I mean, what's moving today? It must be. Oh, here's all the movement. Okay, so the Franks are moving today. There's got to be something doing something. Okay. Yeah, the G Frank, the E Frank, and I'm assuming the U Frank. No, not the U Frank. The cross pair Franks are moving. Those are hard to trade. I like this one better out of those three Frank pairs. Yeah. Yeah, the GU and the EU, I think by like Tuesday after the holiday is over, those will be ready to buy. I'm actually kind of I'm surprised at how far the dollar went up. I thought it would have came down here, but it just kept on going. Alrighty. Um Overall really slow day. Um that is a double top, isn't it? Okay. Okay. Kind of against my rules. I lost 2 trades on this pair today, but I do feel like this is at least good for a couple of pips. So I'll take it. Yeah. I'll just take it to here. I'm not gonna go too crazy with it. 5. Third time's the charm, hopefully. Uh, yeah. The only trade that I see. And I don't even see anything that might happen in the next. Yeah, I wouldn't short here, wouldn't go long here. I know. I know. I said I wasn't going to. Did it anyway. If I end up losing it, then that's just my own damn fault. Yeah, that GU. Yeah, don't buy into that. I wouldn't recommend buying into that. It needs at least, yeah, it's got a while to go before I would be comfortable buying that one. The EGBP. Yeah, yeah, I've already sold twice on it because I mean I don't feel like it should continue going up. I'd be really surprised if that happened. But since it's continuing to go up, even though it looks like it shouldn't, it'll probably just keep going up. Usually how that goes. Yep. Yeah, it's a nice double top on multiple charts. But the daily, definitely strong uptrend on the daily. So that's not a good sign. Strong uptrend on the 4 hour, also not a good sign. But it is right at this level here. Big giant bar is. So yeah, not like a great A plus move or anything, but it's not terrible either. Man, and the market's moving like super slow today too. stay on at least and capture this trade. And I'll probably head to bed after that. If it's not done by 2, it's going to be that. Yeah, there should be some good shorts coming up on these. Uh, Not those two, but either the GU or the EU. They should have a pretty good shorting opportunity coming up soon here. Possibly even now. Let's see. Yeah. Let's see what we got going on. Yeah, I think the yeah, possible short on either the GU or the EU. A little quick scalp. Or you can go long here. Yeah, that's actually probably. I'd at least wait for a full bar though, full green bar, and then put like a buy stop above it for extra protection. Okay. Yeah, it looks like this one's finally gonna go through. USD CAD, possible buy. EU and EU. Yeah. Yeah. Hmm. The bar is so huge. This is probably the way to take a buy here. I'll wait for this bar to form though. Oh. Ooh. CBD has fully kicked in. Gotta buy that. Gonna do it. Gonna do it. Very tempting. Okay, I'll do it. Okay, I'm gonna buy this UCAD here. Pump and dump. The name of the game. Yeah, Hussein, just make sure to set daily loss limits for yourself and don't go by the FTMO max daily loss. That's way too high unless you're compounding. Usually I do 4 regular losses and 2 half losses. And if I lose all that, then I'll just stop for the day. It just might not be a good day for the market, kind of like today. There's just not a whole lot going on. And just go for better setups too. This one is at least a double top. The two sales I took on it earlier didn't have much of a pattern. So that was my own mistake and just trying to get in too early. But now it's at least presented us a pattern. So this is it has a much higher chance of going through now that there's actually a pattern there. So I should have just waited in the first place. These that last 2 days are actually pretty decent. Yesterday was not great, but Wednesday was like really, really good and easy. Yesterday there was some nice trades too. Today has been the hardest day of the week. That's pretty good, man. Yeah, I did enter. Yeah, let me actually put it on here. I entered 3503. 3503. 94. Stop. 3509. 3530.9 for the take profit. So yeah, I got in there too. Again, not a fantastic trade. I give it a B plus. But this one's finally going through. Thank goodness. Yeah, see, had I just waited for the pattern in the first place, I would have not lost those other two trades trying to get this same move. So that's just me being impatient. I need to keep that in mind for next time. Just wait for the pattern. And if you missed a move, that's fine. At least you didn't lose money. Nah, USD CAD should go up, if anything. Should. Yeah, this should go up. And then this should go down. This should go down, but since the Euro GBP is going down, it's going to go up for a little bit. And then these two should continue going down. Do I trade overextended pairs for reversals? On this pair, yeah, because the Euro GBP is quick to reverse, even if it is in a heavy trend. Yeah, this is one of those pairs, just like a wild card pair. It kind of does its own thing. But once you've spent enough time with it, it's actually pretty easy to trade this pair. Very quick reversals compared to some other pairs. It never goes too far in one direction. Yeah. All right. So both of these are looking pretty good. Looking good. Looking good. All right. So it's this one only 1.2 reward. Kind of scared to go past this level here. And this one is 3 reward. Yeah. A little over 3 reward. So if I win these two, it'll cancel out those 2 losses that I had. I believe I'll be up like three reward for the day. So that's still a successful day. Solid day. Yeah, I'd be a little hesitant to go further down here. Yeah, I don't think it'll go down that far right now. Okay, just gonna use. Yeah, yeah. If I would have just moved the stop earlier on that second one, I'd still be in that one. That's okay. All right, I'm gonna use the bathroom really quick. I'll be right back. Oh man, it's still freezing cold. This damn trade better go through this time. I'm gonna be really mad if it doesn't. All right, got 5 pips to go. Yeah, the way it's moving, it might actually go further. Man, that was my impatience on full display for everyone to see. Yeah, that's why I did this. That's why I did this live trading thing, live stream thing. Everyone just got to see how being impatient will cause you to lose money for no reason. All I had to do was wait for a pattern. That's the perfect way to trade. Trade actual patterns only and not like off of feeling or emotions or anything like that. You'll get lucky here and there, but yeah, if you just wait for actual patterns to form and trade those only and just skip the moves that don't have patterns, you'll probably have like an 80% win rate all the time. Yep, that's the name of the game. Just go for good patterns only and use buy and sell stops to prevent unnecessary losses, and you'll be Warren Buffett in no time. ccxcollective.com. That's my little commercial right there. All right. UCAD's looking pretty good too. All right. Went from a pretty mildly unsuccessful day to looking like we're going to get some nice wins here. Yep. Yeah. Yeah. No. Got it down. Like I said, you'll always have some type of trade within the within 2 hours of the session opening. Always. I don't think in the entire 3 years that I've been trading, I don't think I've ever seen a whole entire session with no trades, unless it's a holiday. That's why I'll trade holidays. So yeah, Monday I won't be here, but yeah, any regular day, there's always at least one good trade every single day. So you're better off waiting for the good A plus trade. This is not an A plus trade, but that was even, let's see. This is not really an A plus trade either. I'll give this one an A minus. This one's a B plus, A minus. I probably should move the stop to break even. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna move the stops on this one to break even. Case. Yeah, because if it goes up from here, it'll probably just keep on going up. I don't want to just lose for no reason. Oh man. All right, I actually get to sleep today. Yay. Righty. Oh, don't you do it. Don't you do it. It's okay. I got to break even. I'll still be a little mad though. Yeah, no. Like I said, if it goes up any further, it's probably just going to keep going up. So I'm going to leave it. Just going to let it run. Is it really going to do that? How far away was that? If I lose this trade by 2 pips, baby seal's getting clubbed. I'm gonna find a baby seal and I'm clubbing him. Yu Yin Bai. Eh, not bad. Not great. Definitely not great. But it should go up for a little bit more. I'd put that in the B level category. Trying to buy here. Yeah, I don't think. What's the 4 hour daily? Yeah, I mean, it's still got a really heavy trend on the higher charts. UCAD's looking good. Uh, all right. Hmm. All right. Looks like I'm gonna be on here until 2:30. Since I don't have to wake up super early tomorrow or today, later today. Oh, okay. That's a good sign. Okay. I have a little bit more confidence in it now. No small animals will be harmed yet. Safe for now, Mr. Baby Seal. Yeah, man. Oh, yeah. My goodness. I did not think I was going to be on here this long. I'm in full CBD, Benadryl zone. Figured I'd be sleeping already. Whew. Right. Looking good, looking good. Both trades are looking good. Alrighty. Yeah, it's like a 50-50 at this point for it to go break even or to actually go through. I would like to win the trade, but not. No harm, no foul. Ugh. Ugh. I guarantee if I take it early, that's when it'll go through. It happens all the time. All right, let me just get my one reward. Ah. Yep, just let it run. It's the smart move. YouTube gods and the Forex gods really want me to stay up until 2:30. That's what's happening right now. Thought you were going to bed at 1:30. Think again, brother. Oh, your USD JPY. It's not a bad trade, like I said. I mean, the hourly trend is still definitely going up. It is very overextended. Then again, the yen pairs they just go on forever, so it's kind of what they. All right, 230 tops. 230 rolls around. Audi. Hmm. All right. Oh yeah. Let's go. Right. Staying on this bad boy for 9 more minutes. Hopefully these trades can go through. Or then, okay. Both looking pretty good. Okay. There's a chance that they'll go through. Or I have to go. Ah. Hold on. Yeah, I don't want to exit early. Yeah, I'll go for all or nothing. Either I'll just break even. I'll get the full. What is this? 1.2 reward, which again is not even that great, but it at least cancels out the. Oh yeah, I took full risk on this one, so it'll cancel out those two losses from earlier, and I'll make a profit on top of it since I use higher risk on this one. And this one, I use lower risk on this one, so I'll just leave it. I won't move it to break even. Give it give it some room to breathe. I know I do need to go to sleep. I'll give it 5 more minutes. I do want to get the money shot for the stream, but I'm not gonna stay up till 4 in the morning or anything like that. So I'll give them 5 more minutes. If they're not done by then, it is gonna be sleepy time. About to fall asleep sitting here. Okay. Been much better now. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I usually do. I usually would only be I usually stay into the session like an hour and a half tops. This was just one of those rare days where there weren't any moves happening until later in the session. If I was a live streaming, I would have just took the trade and just left with sleep. But since I'm on the stream already, I'll just stay on here for another couple minutes. All right. Oh, man. Oh, that's a good sign. See the volume on that one. Yeah, volume is pretty low. Oh, for like the entire session, actually. Explains why everything was moving so slow. Ooh. Come on. Okay. It is 2:30. I was really supposed to be gone at 1:30. So I'm gonna close up the stream for now. Monday is President's Day, so I won't be streaming on Monday because I won't be trading. And I don't advise that you do either. So I have this sell here on the Euro GBP and this buy on the UCAD. I'm just gonna let those run. Who knows how long it'll take to go through. But I hope you guys enjoyed the stream, and I will see you on Tuesday morning. Later.